Hey, this is JR with the Jesse Eline Real Estate Team, and today we are in the Garden Tract, and I have an amazing home to show you guys today. All brand new kitchen. The house has been completely gutted and remodeled. So basically a new home in the Garden Tract. Fireplace, front room, and we also have 3 bedrooms and a really nice remodeled bathroom. This is the money room. This is a huge extra room. Could be a master suite. Could even be an AirBNB. Over here, they've even thought ahead and made an extra spot. If someone wanted to eventually turn this into its own mother-in-law suite or Airbnb, plumbing is in the wall. Check out the size of this yard and this massive tree with lots of shade. Awesome on a day like this where it's sort of warm. But yeah, you are in the heart of Reading and one of the most desirable neighborhoods. Thanks for watching. This is JR, and we're in Reading, where the world wants to live.